Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check MAC address on your LENOVO G70-35 laptop. So to check MAC address you'll have to search for CMD, command prompt, application, open it up, and then input ipconfig /all like this, and then press enter, and then you'll have different adapters right here and different physical addresses, so MAC addresses for each one. But if you want to see the MAC address that you're currently using, you'll have to search for the media that is connected, so the media which doesn't have the disconnected media state. For me it's my Wi-Fi adapter, and here is the MAC address that I'm using. And I'm also using a slightly different MAC address for a Bluetooth adapter, as if you look closely you'll be able to see that this number differs by 1. And basically that's how you check the MAC address on your LENOVO laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.